Arturo Vidal leaves Barca for Inter. Eduard Mendy to Chelsea confirmed. Kylian Mbappe to leave PSG. Jadon Sancho to stay at Dortmund. Dani Alves to return to Europe, and much more in today's transfer news. So, let's begin. Arturo Vidal has joined Inter Milan from Barcelona in a deal worth 1 million euros. He leaves Barca after 2 seasons with the Catalan Giants, during which he played 16 games, scoring 11 goals and winning 2 trophies. Eduard Mendy is set to undergo his Chelsea medical today. He will be Chelsea's 7th signing of the season. The deal will be worth 22 million euros. He will provide competition to Chelsea's current first choice Kepa, who continues to struggle between the sticks. The 2021 transfer window could be all about Kylian Mbappe. Reports suggest that Mbappe has told PSG he wants to leave next summer. El Equipe reports that Liverpool and Real Madrid will be battling for the PSG forward. Gareth Bale's agent hints that he could stay at Tottenham beyond this season. It is reported that the loan deal includes an option of a second year. His agent also said that Bale was treated disgracefully by the Spanish club. Jadon Sancho happy at Borussia Dortmund, says Dortmund director. After Man United's failed pursuit of Jadon Sancho, they have decided to look elsewhere, with Barcelona's Ousmane Dembele reported as a possible alternative. Arsenal have received a boost in their pursuit of Houssem Aouar, as Liga 1 side look to replace him with AC Milan's Lucas Paqueta. Chelsea's centre-half Antonio Rudiger is considering his future at the club after he was left out of Chelsea's squad in their 2-0 defeat to Liverpool. Ex-Barca fullback Dani Alves eyes a return to European football as he looks to leave Sao Paulo. It is reported that he has grown frustrated with the off-field issues at the club. Alvaro Morata arrives in Turin ahead of his transfer to Juventus. Morata is set to join Juventus on a loan deal from Atletico Madrid with an option to buy for 45 million euros. Reports in Italy suggest that Luis Suarez is under investigation over allegations that he cheated on the test that he gave recently in order to obtain his Italian passport. It is reported that he knew all of the questions in advance. Liverpool agreed 36 million deal for Watford's Ismaila Sarr. Man United were also linked with Sarr, but Liverpool is the team he will join, it seems. Man United are advancing in their pursuit of Alex Telles. The negotiations for the left back are in advanced stages. So guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.